Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, with another video from your boy B Adventures, taking a delivery of a new or newer-ish 2014 Kia what? Sportage. I mean, I've never expected it, not even for a second, to be this bad. But as usual, if you get a car from the auction, you gotta be extra careful, I guess. So I gotta adjust here. That's just the hood that's gonna be adjusted. This whole thing has to be changed to a brand new one. This one, this could be fixable with the heat. Needs some hot air on this one. This wheel, that's gonna be fixed for sure. It's probably an easy fix. It's late at night and I can't see much right now, so it's gonna be looked at tomorrow. Yeah, it's looking good. Let's see. Oh, it's got a spare tire. It's got stuff in the back. The only thing that I'm curious to see is a key. Yeah, this is cool. It's got stitches, man. That's pretty cool. Someone took care of this car. All the trim pieces are here. That's really good. That's what I like to see. This mirror, someone painted, or no, it comes this way. Yeah, this is a motor. So basically, the only thing that I like about this car so far is the engine.